Dash cam front and rear. Milerong A25 dash cam contains two cameras: a 1080p Full HD wide-angle front camera, 170 degrees, and waterproof, 720p rear camera, 140 degrees, for watching what is going on behind the car. Clearly record all scenes of your driving journey. No blind spots, and double protection. 3 IPS display for real-time monitoring and replay. Supports up to 32 GB micro SD cards. Card is not included. If needed, please search BO8CDL8BMD and buy together for more discount. Full HD 1080p and Super Night Vision dash cam. Night shooting is brighter, and details like license plates are clearly visible with our car dash camera that has a 1920x1080p Full HD lens, f1.8 aperture and HDR/WDR technology. Night shooting is brighter with this technology. Any trouble with image exposure in low light can be solved. Eliminates the need for an auxiliary light source even in low light environments, making it easy to obtain sharp, color-accurate images. Emergency lock and loop recording. Seamless loop recording overwrites the old footage with new content when the card is full. The dash cam with a built-in variable sensitivity G sensor, which will automatically detect a sudden collision, activates emergency recording, immediately saves the relevant footage and locks it to SOS file. These recordings are flagged and protected, thus preventing any overwriting and thereby protecting your video evidence. Keep you away from driving disputes. Dash cams with parking mode. The dash cams automatically powers on and starts recording as soon as impact is detected, thus providing you with video evidence if your car is scratched by someone in parking. Hence ensuring your peace of mind with complete 24/7 monitoring of your car. We suggest some important function settings for your daily using. G sensor level choose low, or turn off. Loop recording choose 3 minutes, motion detection choose off, parking monitor choose on. Easy installation and easy to use. This dash camera is very easy to install and operate with reference pictures in our user manual. Connect the dash cam with the suction mount, included, and attach it on your windshield. Insert SD card, not included, and connect to the power supply. The car dash camera will start recording immediately after igniting. Meantime, you can play back videos of each clear detail on the car dash cam. Top reviews from the United States. Voice is extremely good. I really like it, but there is no way to shut it off unless you unplug it. Yes, I would buy it again because it is a very good quality and the voice is really sensitive. Not even a whisper will get away.